I want you to reply to this question from the lovely Michelle. This is a great question. What's the best protection when in bed? I feel I'm getting psychically attacked. My mind has told me who, makes me very uncomfortable and struggling to sleep. So thank you for sharing this. I have been through many situations of psychic attack. So what I will say is, firstly, well done that you've gone with who your mind has told you, because we will know instantly. You instantly know it. Instantly know who it is, even if it makes no sense. So if you're dreaming about someone or they keep popping into your mind, it is because they are sending negative intent your way, whether this is conscious or even unconsciously, or their entities can send it. So what you want to do is, firstly, in the 3D, cut all ties if you can with this person. If you can't cut all ties, then what you want to do is like the grey rock technique that you would use with a narcissist, which is basically, do not feed any drama, keep it black and white, keep it very transactional, do not share with them anything about your personal life, do not share with them like where you're going, what you're doing, keep it very black and white. If they come to you with any drama in the 3D world, just shut it down, just go, all right, and just appear disinterested. Same with the energy, same with the entities. Appear disinterested, completely disinterested. Do not let it take up rent space in your head. If you act completely disinterested or do something unexpected, so I have been known to wake up and go, oh, that person came into my dream, thanks so much, thanks for sending me shit again. Wake up in the morning and then gone, I just like laughed uncontrollably, because they don't expect you to laugh. They want you to be affected by this and brought down by this. So you can like grey rock it, ignore it, act unexpected. And another thing to do is you can say, and I do this in the middle of the night, you can say, go back to where you whence came, never to return to me or this reality. You can say this 10 times. And if you say this 10 times, sometimes it only needs 3 times, you will find their energy will leave you. And another thing is also pulling cords back to yourself. So rather than cutting cords, which can leave like remnants, pull your cords back, pull your power back. And then another thing that I do, which I've just intuitively done, but it seems to work for me, is I get a golden thread, and in my mind's eye, I wrap the golden thread around and around and around my body and aura. And I don't know why this works, but it just does. And it seems to wrap up and seal my body and aura so that I can sleep. I hope this has been helpful.